Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's unleash the power of creativity in your home with our exquisite wall decor art pieces. Immerse yourself in the world of captivating color, texture and artistic expressions. From contemporary abstracts to timeless classics, each piece tells a unique story. Elevate your living space with a touch of sophistication and personality. Our video explores the diverse collection, providing insights into the inspiration behind each masterpiece. Discover how these art pieces can redefine your walls, making a statement that resonates with your style and taste. Redefine your living space. Let your wall speak volume with our curated wall decor art pieces. I hope these designs are useful for you. You can get an idea about decorating your walls with these types of beautiful wall decor ideas. Friends, such type of wall decor items are available online on various shopping portals like Amazon and Flipkart. You can buy it from there. You can check out the links in the description box. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.